Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. Ayn Rand. Money is a terrible master, but an excellent servant. P.T. Barnum. Did you know that money isn't just paper or numbers in your bank account, but it's actually one of the most powerful tools in your life? The way you understand and use this tool will determine whether you live in financial freedom or remain trapped in a cycle of stress and survival. But here's the catch. Most of us have never been taught how to use money properly. Today, I'm going to show you how money can be your ultimate tool for success and freedom. Let's dive in. Today's topic is simple, yet incredibly misunderstood: money. It's easy to think of money as something we earn, spend, and save, but the truth is, money is a tool. And like any tool, you need to know how to use it if you want to see results. By the end of this video, you'll have a new understanding of how money works and how it can help you achieve financial independence. Whether you're just starting out in your financial journey or looking to refine your money strategy, stick around. There's a lot to uncover. First, let's define what money is. We all know money is a medium of exchange. It's what we use to buy goods and services. But at its core, money is just a tool, a placeholder for value. It doesn't matter whether it's paper currency, digital dollars, or assets like stocks and real estate. The key is understanding that money represents potential. It's what you do with it that matters. Too many people think of money only in terms of what it can buy today. But if you shift your thinking and start viewing money as a tool to build future wealth, you'll start making smarter decisions about how to use it. But beyond its basic functions, money is also a tool for achieving personal and financial goals. How you manage and use money determines your ability to build wealth, achieve financial independence, and escape the rat race. Money can be invested to generate passive income, create opportunities for growth, or simply provide security. The way you understand and leverage money, whether through earning, saving, investing, or spending, directly influences your financial future and quality of life. When used wisely, money becomes a powerful tool to gain control over your time and resources. 2. Money has three main functions. It's a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a tool for growth. The first two are obvious. Money allows you to buy things and save for the future. But the third one, growth, is where the real magic happens. If you're only earning and spending money, you're missing out on its true potential. Think of money as seeds. You can either eat them today or plant them and let them grow into something much bigger over time. The secret to building wealth lies in investing and allowing your money to work for you. 3. One important thing to remember is that money itself isn't the end goal. It's a means to an end. The true value of money lies in the freedom it can bring. Financial freedom means having enough money to live life on your own terms without being tied to a job or financial stress. This is why it's so important to use money wisely. Instead of working for money your whole life, you can put money to work for you and eventually gain the freedom to do what you love, travel, spend time with family, or pursue passion projects. Using money to build freedom, not just wealth, shifts the focus from accumulating riches to gaining control over your life. Financial freedom means having enough resources to make decisions based on what you value, rather than being tied to a paycheck or forced into a rigid schedule. It's about creating options, whether that's the ability to take time off, pursue a passion project, or retire early without financial stress. While building wealth is important, the real goal is to use that wealth to buy time, flexibility, and peace of mind, so you can live life on your terms. This approach to money management also helps avoid the trap of endless accumulation. Many people chase wealth, believing that more money automatically equals more happiness. But the true benefit of money is its ability to provide freedom and security. Instead of focusing on material gains or status symbols, use your financial resources to create a life that aligns with your personal goals and values. Whether it's traveling, spending more time with loved ones, or starting a business, money should be a tool to enhance your freedom, not just a measure of success. 4. How to make money work for you. Here's where we get into the exciting part, making money work for you. Most people believe that the only way to make more money is by working harder or longer hours. While earning is important, The wealthiest people understand that to truly win the money game, you have to put your money to work. Making money work for you means leveraging your finances to generate passive income and long-term wealth, rather than solely relying on earned income from a job. The key to this strategy is investing in assets that grow over time or generate income without requiring constant labor. This could include investments in stocks, bonds, real estate, or starting a business that can run independently. By doing this, your money starts to grow through compound interest, dividends, or rental income, allowing you to earn even when you're not actively working. The earlier you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow, amplifying the long-term benefits. Another way to make money work for you is through strategic budgeting and saving. Instead of spending all your earnings, save and invest a portion of your income consistently. Automating your savings and investments can help make this process seamless and ensure you're continuously building wealth. Over time, these financial habits create multiple streams of income, freeing you from the limitations of trading time for money. Ultimately, by making your money work for you, you shift from working just to get by to building a financial system that sustains itself and helps you achieve financial freedom. Each of these strategies allows you to generate passive income, money that comes in without you trading your time for it. Over time, as your investments grow, you'll realize that money can be your most loyal and effective employee, working 24/7 to build your wealth. Next, the psychology of money. Understanding your relationship with it. Money isn't just numbers and transactions, it's deeply tied to our emotions and mindset. How we view and handle money is shaped by our upbringing, experiences, and beliefs. Some people see money as scarce and are driven by fear, while others view it as abundant and are more willing to take calculated risks. The way you think about money can directly impact your financial success or struggles. Understanding the psychology behind money helps you break negative patterns, like impulsive spending or the fear of investing, and start using money more effectively to build wealth. By recognizing and addressing your financial mindset, you can shift from reactive behaviors to proactive money management. For example, if you find yourself avoiding investing due to fear, unpacking that fear and educating yourself can help you overcome it and take steps toward building wealth. Similarly, if you associate money with status or self-worth, you might focus more on spending to impress others than on saving or investing for your future. By gaining clarity on your psychological relationship with money, you can start using it as a tool to achieve your goals, rather than letting it control your actions. Avoiding money traps, debt, overspending, and lifestyle inflation. Now let's talk about the money traps that often derail people's financial progress: debt, overspending, and lifestyle inflation. These are some of the biggest obstacles to using money as a tool for freedom. Let's say you get a raise. The immediate temptation might be to buy a nicer car or move into a bigger house. But this is where lifestyle inflation creeps in, and suddenly, your extra income is eaten up by more expenses. Instead, what if you took that raise and invested it? That's the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and building a life of financial security. The next time you find yourself with extra money, think of it as an opportunity to grow your wealth, not just to increase your spending. Speaking of making smart money moves, if you're looking to fast-track your path to financial independence, check out our video, How to Become Rich Fast. Play the money game fair and square. In that video, we break down strategies to accelerate wealth building without taking shortcuts that jeopardize your financial health. Click the link above or check it out in the description. 5. Money as a tool for impact and legacy. Money doesn't just serve your personal goals. It can also be a tool for creating a lasting impact. Once you've mastered using money for your own financial freedom, you can use it to support causes you care about, invest in your community, or leave a legacy for future generations. Whether it's through philanthropy, business ventures that give back, or passing down financial knowledge and resources to your children, money becomes a tool for creating positive change beyond your immediate needs. It allows you to not only live a fulfilling life, but also make a difference in the world. Money as a tool for impact and legacy goes beyond personal wealth and financial security. It allows you to create meaningful change that extends far beyond your own life. Additionally, money can play a critical role in leaving a legacy for future generations. This doesn't just mean passing on wealth, it's about transferring financial knowledge, values, and principles. By educating your family or community on how to manage and grow money responsibly, you empower them to continue building on your efforts. Whether through creating generational wealth, funding educational opportunities, or setting up charitable foundations, money becomes more than just a tool for personal freedom. It becomes a vehicle for long-term positive influence. And there you have it, money, not just as a means to an end, but as a powerful tool that you can learn to master. Now that you understand the role money plays in your journey to financial freedom, the question becomes, how do you use this tool to its full potential? In our next video, How to Become Rich Fast, Unlocking the Secrets of Money Psychology, we dive deeper into the mindset that separates those who merely survive from those who truly thrive. You'll discover how your psychology shapes your financial destiny and learn the mental shifts that can accelerate your path to wealth. Trust me, this is where real transformation begins. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets that could change your financial future forever? I'll see you there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on personal finance and wealth-building strategies.